This video is about how to record an app window with UkeySoft Screen Recorder on Mac computer. First of all, start the program. On the interface of the program, let's click on App Window. In here, we're going to choose our output file settings. For quality, we choose for original quality, and for input audio, we choose for system audio. For more output setting, in general, video format is MP4 and the audio format is MP3. And shortcut keys is defaulted, and we don't want to add any watermark. After we have done all the output settings, now press the red button to start recording. Firstly, we're going to start a browser first. Press the red button. Now you're going to choose the browser window or the UkeySoft app window. Let's choose the browser window. And now it's recording. It's now recording everything is going on with the browser window. We scroll it down. Stop. Let's play the video. Now you can see the videos. Everything is just about the browser window. That's it for the tutorial. See you on the next one. Bye.